4516 Harvest Lane in beautiful Sachse, Texas today. I'm talking fast, so keep up. This house is within walking distance to all grade levels. It is easy access onto the George Bush Turnpike. There's shopping. In fact, my favorite Indian food restaurant is right outside this neighborhood. This is a true 1.5 story, which means the only thing upstairs is a game room with a full bathroom and lots of storage. Downstairs, you've got 3 bedrooms, plus a study that could be a 4th bedroom if you need it. It is gorgeous. Big backyard, kitchen's updated. Come take a look.